power is walking up a set of stairs. First, we must know the weight of the participant and the height of the stairs. Then record the time as they reach the top of the stairs.
So in the next activity, we must first determine the work done of the participants. Multiply each participant's mass to the value of acceleration due to gravity to get their weight. So the weight of the first participant is 372.4 newtons. The second participant is 392 newtons. And the third participant is 490 newtons. Now that we already solved the fourth, let's multiply it by the displacement of the stairs, which is 2 meters, to get the work done. So the work done of the first participant is 744.8 joules, the second participant is 784 joules, and the third participant is 980 joules. After solving their work done, let's determine the power. Just divide each participant's work done by the time they finish the activity. The first participant consumed 197.04 watts. The second participant consumed 224.91 watts. And the third participant consumed 303.41 watts.
Energy appears in various forms. Things need energy to move and make other objects move. Thus, we say that energy is what gives the object the ability to do work. An object that can do work possesses mechanical energy. There are two types of mechanical energy: the kinetic energy and the potential energy.
Kinetic energy is the energy of moving body. A moving body does work when it hits another object, while a stationary body cannot do work on another stationary body.
The amount of work done on an object is equal to its change in kinetic energy. Mathematically, kinetic energy equals 1/2 m² wherein m is the mass, v is the velocity of the object.
After kinetic energy, we have potential energy. Potential energy is the stored energy of position possessed by an object. There are two forms of potential energy: the gravitational and elastic potential energy. The sum of gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy is called mechanical energy. When the ball strikes the wall, its mechanical energy allows it to do work on the wall.
The type of energy possessed by an object because of its position relative to lower position is called gravitational potential energy. At a higher position, an object has higher gravitational potential energy. So when you climb these stairs, the higher you go, the higher your gravitational potential energy becomes.
Gravitational potential energy is given by the equation gravitational potential energy equals mgh, wherein m is the mass in kilograms, g is the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 meters per second squared on Earth, and h is the height in meters.
Another form is elastic potential energy. It is the energy stored in elastic materials as the result of their stretching or compressing. Elastic potential energy can be stored in rubber bands, bungee cords, trampolines, spring, and an arrow drawn into a bow. The amount of elastic potential energy stored in such a device is related to the amount of stretch of the device. The more stretch, the more stored energy.
ends our lesson about work and power. We hope that you've learned something about our simple presentation. Thank you and God bless you all. Furthermore, we'd like to thank the following sponsors that make this Constel successful.
Special thanks to Jack and Jill Corporation.
Sony Corporation.
555 Tuna for our lunch.
E-Physics, Coca-Cola Corporation.
Physics 11, Junaldo Residence.
And there is our camera woman right there.
Hi.
You can see. Thank you and God bless you all. In addition to, we'd like to acknowledge Sir Arnel Perez for being Best Advanced Physics Teacher ever. Thank you and we hope that you learned something. And bye-bye. See you next time. That ends our lesson about... Ay, sorry.